Hello everyone, welcome back to Rain's English. Today we have reading practice. The extract I'm going to read has been taken from Junior English Book 3. This video is going to help you with pronunciation and vocabulary. While we are reading, we have to focus on punctuation marks. When there's any comma, we have to give a pause. When there's a full stop or period, we have to stop before starting the next sentence. For more details, you can watch my video on punctuation marks part 1. Then it will be helpful for you to understand reading. So, let's start. The brindle puppy wandered on a little farther, coming to a crack in the ground, which was lined with a few blades of grass and wild flowers. A trickle of water drew her attention, and at this she laughed, after half choking herself before realizing how to use her tongue. And then she curled up on a patch of grass which had dried in the sun and fell asleep. So everyone, now it's your turn to practice. Play the video again and repeat after me. Hope this video helps. See you in the next video. Bye bye everyone. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like button, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon.